tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Watch. So let's dive in. So you go to your Facebook, and this is the watch. This is the watch. Here you can see the one that I type is the watch. Oh, sorry, this is it. This is the watch here. This is for marketplace. This one here that look like a video is your video, so you can browse and see any video. You can save any video. If it is for live video, just click on the live video and it's going to come when everything is when it's live. Or this is live, you can watch it from here directly, and if it is real, click on real. So get your real videos here. So go back, and if you those there you're following their videos that are drop, you can see you're going to find everything here on your watch. So the watch is the icon after your profile. Is a profile. The next icon is your watch video. So you can just browse through it and you can look for anything you're looking for. And you can also search for any video you're looking for. You can see this is very amazing. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.